Guess who's back? It's Sweat, zero. And I'm back on the Green Lantern. And I gotta get this surface rust up off of there. I keep telling y'all I'm getting this surface rust up off of there. And then I'm gonna hit it with that etching primer. We're on top of the truck. I'm in the bed of the truck. Standing on that old tailgate. And I'm gonna try to sand it. See if we can get it back down to the metal. Get the surface rust up off of there. And we're gonna try to get it back to, we're gonna bring the Green Lantern back. I'll be back. Okay, we done got up here. This is the best that I could do it. We done got it back down to the metal in most spots. I done sprayed it off to get all the dust off of there. Now I'm gonna prime it. Try to encapsulate this rust and stuff so it don't come back. I think I gotta go to the store and get some more etching primer. But I'll be back. Man, I went up to the store to get some more etching primer, and then another layer of surface rust and came back. So I'm trying to lightly hit it. See how good they come off real fast. Just another little light layer, but let me take that off and hit it again. Hit it with this etching primer. Let me get this off. I mean, it just popped up there just from me rinsing it off. The rest of it's still kind of holding up, but I see it coming up. I'll be back. So we done got it. We still got some high and low spots. You know how it's hard to do it with that spray can, but we got the top. We're gonna knock all that rust off. Simple as that. We will not miss a chance to keep moving forward. I'll holler back.